baseball is one of the sport. No? In fact, nung basketball, which became famous later on, yung supplanted baseball, nilalaro ng mga babae yung dati bago nilaro ng mga lalaki. Kaya, ang tanong po, sila always ang baseball, famous, most famous sport, tapos baseball, kaya nandang sila Babe Ruth, sila Derringer, sila Roderick, ay bakit iisa pa na ang Hall of Famer ng baseball sa out of 49 Hall of Famers ng Pilipinas? Ano ang balak kong gawin? Dahil maraming qualified naman. Siguro one of the practice actually is to nominate yung pwedeng makapasok sa Hall of Fame. Kasi hindi nakasikaso ng bago previous to. And I'm interested in that because I used to be the advisor of Mr. Namasela. And I played baseball when I was still very small, but in college I played softball because in the Ateneo then, which was with the NCAA, that we don't have baseball. Anyway, thank you para pag-usapan. Sana pag-isipan niyo po kung sino ang pwedeng mag-volunteer. Ang daming qualifiers po sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Siguro to answer that, you can mention names na in the future, sino pa? Sino pa hindi pwede pa na inagdag sa Hall of Fame sa Pilipinas? In case na ihilan kayo ng names.
Marami actually. Yung
Yes, you can mention
1954 game natin na yung first time na Asian champion yung Pilipinas, if you'll remember. Yung ace pitcher natin doon was Viray, no?
Mm-hmm.
USP, exactly. So it was played here in Manila from I think December 18 to December 26. They had a game on Christmas Day, and they beat Japan ng 8-1. Na-shoutout niya ang Taiwan. So, nag-qualify for the championship. Tinalo natin ang Japan. Yun yung first and last natin na Asian baseball championship. I think yung mga names nung lahat ng yun, noong 1954 are qualified to be part of the yung mga Hall of Fame po natin. And thank you po, maraming salamat for reminding us ng trabaho na yan namin na kailangan po namin gawin. Thank you po.
Yes, okay. Sige, let's go to the under 12. Pwede po ulit kayong invite na lang dito sa front, pati yung mga players. So, Coach Ed Tuason, and then yung players natin, Leon De Vera and Matthew Salazar. Yes. Just a short talk about this under 12 Asian Championships po ito. Sige po, please. Doon po kayo. Okay. Saan po ito? Ano yung chance natin? How was the the previous campaign? Doon po sa gitna. Go. Yes, okay lang po yan. Sige lang po. Okay.
Good morning. Gaganapin po yung tournament po namin in Guan, China po. This coming August 7 to 16 po.
So, kamusta po yung team? Yung preparation natin? Sino ba mga member ng team? Ano yung goal? How was the last campaign nung under 12 natin?
Yung team po namin, composed po ng different players from City of Manila, and then meron din po kaming mga nakuwang players nearby provinces, and also meron din po kami nakuha sa Pangasinan and La Union.
So, how many teams po come the competition kapag under 12 nations?
Teams, meron pong 8, and we have 2 brackets po.
So, ano po yung goal natin? Realistic goal?
Makapasok po sa super round, and hopefully talunin yung pinakamalakas.
Yes, okay. So, si Leon? Yes, Leon?
Leon.
Okay. How are you? Goal mo come this under 12 Asian Championships? Okay. Anong gusto mong mangyari? Anong gusto mong mapakita doon?
Give my 100% lang po. Tsaka po galingan ko lang po. At sana po manalo po.
Yes. Okay. So si Leon Rivera. Taga saan si Leon?
Igatanaw City po.
Wow, Tanawan, Batangas. Nice. Pagayan. Matthew Salazar. Taga saan si Matthew?
Katanawan siya bigyan po.
Uy, puros mga taga Batangas. Gaano kasaya mabilang sa national team for under 12? Masaya ka? Feeling mo, maglalaro ka for Team Philippines. Lalaro na sa Asia.
Siya po ang aking salamat para po makasama sa mama.
Ayun, okay. So lahat proud sila. Okay. So, thank you so much. Yes po.
Dagdag ko lang po, Datarawan team sila po yung nag-champion ng Philippines. Then, maglalaro po sila sa Asia Pacific. Sabi maglalaro
Sa Korea po.
sa Korea.
So, meron silang under 12 for Asian Championships
Libre po.
plus itong Asia Pacific. Diba?
Asia Pacific po.
Okay. So,
Little
ganun
League
naman.
pala to.
Okay.
Little League.
Two different competitions. Salamat po, Coach, and then si Leon, at saka si Matthew. Salamat po. Okay, sige, para lang makumpleto. The under 19, let's go to the front. Head Coach, Joseph Orellana, and then Harold Sarmiento and Joaquin Salvador. Just the same, kumusta yung preparations, saan tayo sasali, ano ang magiging chance natin at this under 18 Asian Championships. Yes. Coach, go. Okay. Kumusta po yung ating preparasyon? Saan po nanggaling yung mga miyembro ng team?
Doon po sa preparation namin, buka po yung training namin. So far, mas marami po kami implement for yung game situations kasi ang strategy namin is yung mental toughness ng bata pagkakaharap na yung top 3 teams na kakaharap nila sa U18 po. Tapos ang mga members po namin coming from different provinces.
Katulad na?
Meron po tayong players na taga Pampanga, Pangasinan, meron po tayong taga Batangas, Polo. Marami pa po iba na meron din po dito sa Metro Manila.
Yes. Okay. So si Harold Sarmiento. Okay, yung goal natin in this under 18.
Ang goal ko lang po ay pagpusayangin ang pagod namin sa pag-training at mga suporta. At tulad po niyan ay kami po ay kabataan na inaasahan po maging future. Hindi po namin sasayangin ito pang makakuha ng experience.
Well said. How about Joaquin Salvador? Yeah, how big is this chance to represent the Philippines under 18 baseball?
It's an honor for me to represent the Philippines because, we've lived here our whole lives and we just want to compete and show what we're capable of doing.
Okay, so thank you so much. And all the best to that. Okay, sige po. You can go back sa ating mga seats. Yes,
Mamaya
ayan.
bless ka sa Lolo Ernie, ha?
Ayan, talaga. Sige, balik po tayo dito sa ating head table with the coaches for elite men and women natin.